Good morning, students. Today we are to discuss module number 4, supercharger and turbocharger. Okay. Question arises, what is supercharger? Okay, supercharger means before that supercharger, what is the main purpose of supercharger to discuss that? The purpose of supercharger is to increase the power of output of the engine. Okay. How we have to increase the power of output of the engine means that we have to compressing the air at the inlet of the engine. Okay, for that reason we have to use the supercharger. Okay, means whenever the compressed air enters into the engine, okay, at that time we say that power output of the engine should be good. Okay, now whatever the high concentration of oxygen given by the supercharger, that is mixed with the fuel. Now after that combustion takes place. Okay, due to that power of the engine can be increased. Okay, question arises, why we have to use supercharger? Okay, means by using supercharger, I already told that it increases the power of the engine. Okay, and main application that can be used in aeroplanes. Why you have to use in the aeroplane means whenever the aeroplane moves above, okay, due to high altitudes oxygen is less. At that time you have to use supercharger. Okay, by using this complete combustion of the fuel takes place, which reduces the also that pollution. Okay, how we have to increase the pressure of the air means, how you have to increase that compressed air means, generally there are three types: centrifugal type, Roots blower or root supercharger. Last one is vane type. Okay, we'll discuss one by one. First, that is centrifugal type supercharger. As the name indicates, centrifugal. Two types of that, centrifugal and centripetal. Okay, fugal means outside force, petal means towards center. Okay, first we'll discuss that centrifugal type supercharger. Before that, write the construction. It consists of what? Impeller. Okay, impeller consists of what? The blades. Okay, and also it consists of diffuser. Okay, when air enters at the inlet, okay, that initially that hits to the impeller means impeller rotates. Means impeller rotates means there is a increases this speed. Okay, once speed increases means reduces the pressure. Okay, but our aim is we have to increase the pressure. For that reason, the in high speed less pressure of the air enters into the diffuser. Diffuser converts high speed low pressure of the air into low speed high pressure air. Okay, means finally we got compressed air through the diffuser that enter into the outlet and exit through the outlet. Now this is in general centrifugal type supercharger. Similarly, Roots blower. Okay, it is also known as a root supercharger. Before that, this can be used for pumping the air. Pumping the air means again same, compressing the air. Okay. First, what it consists? It consists of epicycloid rotors. Why are called epicycloid means the shape is like epicyclic here. So shape is like epicyclic, and entire setup is held with the help of elliptical in the form of elliptical housing, means it is in the shape of ellipse, therefore we call that elliptical housing. Okay, these epicycloid rotors, it consists of two rotors. This is one rotor, this is another rotor, that are attached to a common shaft. The center one is common shaft. Okay, now these rotor rotates with a same speed. Okay, now how to write that working? This is, assume that this is the inlet, this arrow is there, this is inlet. Through inlet air enters. Okay, when that air enters in the inside of the elliptical housing, it hits to the epicycloid rotors. Due to that, a rotor can rotate once rotor rotates means it exhibits the pressure. Okay, once it exhibits the pressure means the formation of compressed air. Due to that, outlet will open. Now compressed air will exit through this outlet. This is in general Roots blower. Okay, see here how the Roots blower work. Our aim is we want compressed air. See here, this is Roots blower. This section with that Roots blower, through inlet air will enters. Now these are the epicycler rotors or lobes. When it hits, this can be rotated and exits the pressure, means finally you got the compressed air at the outlet. That compressed air enters into the inlet through the inlet manifold. Now that air will enter here. Now due to that, fuel sprayed through the fuel injector. Now fuel mixes with the compressed air, combustion can be take place. Okay, this way we have to increase the power of the engine. This is in general Roots supercharger. Last one is vane type. Why you have to use vane means here we have to use a number of vanes. These are the vanes. Okay, first we have to write that construction. How to write construction this vane type? Okay, this is inlet. Okay, this is outlet. Now this is the outside one is the rotor. Here this circle is there, this is the rotor, and inside one this is the drum. What arrow mark is this is the drum. Okay, for the rotor blades can be attached with, that is vanes. Okay, and this vanes can be slides inside of this. Okay, working. Okay, this vane can be slide inside of this body. Okay, working. How to write working means whenever air enters at the inside of this vane type supercharger, at the time this hits to this drum. Sorry, this hits to the outside that rotor, means rotor consists of plates. Due to that, vanes can be slides inside. Okay, due to that, what happen? Whenever air enters, okay, which reduces the volume. When reduces the volume, automatically pressure increases at the outlet. Okay, this in general. Finally, we got the compressed air. Okay, this is in general vane type. Okay, thank you.